Before maps had borders, before dust knew roads, I was locked in a parent body, pressure in the codes. No crown, no witness, no legend on display. Just ancient matter learning how to outlive decay. Yeah. Born with the Chondrites, lost edges in the heat. Thermal metamorphism made equilibrium complete. Petrologic type 6, recrystallized grain. A furnace without firelight, chemistry without name. L group signature, ordinary by class. Yet ordinary means nothing when 4 billion years pass. Olivine, health, firelight, 24.5. Ferromagnesian scripture, keeping deep time alive. Low cap, pyroxene, F20.6. Whoa, 1.5 in the mineral mix. High chi, phase carried another coated frame. Crystal ratios talking while the cosmos stayed unnamed. Metal metrolite in a microscopic grade. Finally intergrown textures from conditions long decayed. Nickel iron beside sulfide, woven tight inside a geological cipher with no reason left to hide. In collision rope percussion through the lattice like drums. Shock stage S3, see what pressure becomes. Not total annihilation, still the fabric took scars. A compact archive catching violence between stars. Fracture, compression, momentum in the flash. Orbit broke cadence when the parent structure crashed. I left that ancient workshop with no passport, no plea. Just a trajectory opening where gravity could see. Yeah, vacuum kept the silence, cold miles kept score. Till atmosphere rose like a furnace at the door. Velocity met molecules, compression turned bright. Ablation stripped the surface through a hypersonic night. Outside, vitrified, dark fusion crushed, sealed. He painted the boundary while the interior stayed concealed. No witness falling to any official line. The sky kept that chapter, earth inherited the sign. Sonoran ground called wait beneath the merciless sun. One solitary specimen, not fragments on the run. 6143 grams, resting close to ore while abandoned mining country slept beside the floor. January 30th, 2014, on the page of prospector search for gold, found a different kind of age. Funny how the richest thing wasn't yellow in the sand. Treasure isn't always metal, somebody planned. I came carrying pressure that no scale could explain. A black rim memorandum written deeper than the vein. Not currency, not jewelry, not a glittering reward. I was planetary memory waiting to be restored. When the cut, face open, laboratory lights awake. Thin section window show what naked eyes could mistake. Numbers turn mineral, textures turn testimony. Petrography translated in extraterrestrial chronology. Find the olivine, F's inside the chain. Whoa, marking calcium where pyroxenes remain. Feldspar, logged or and then in calibrated speech. Every polished micron put another epoch within reach. Phi over M gauge ratios, analytical bars. Not mythology measurements, reconstructing scars. 164 grams enter curated rocket space. While away for under optics carried evidence in place. Weathering grade W1 or barely touched the skin. Minor alteration after everything before had been. Desert residents whisper didn't overwrite the text. Terrestrial chemistry arrived comparatively next. Out 6, that label is the headline, not the whole affair. Equilibrati, silicate, older processes. There a classification box can organize the stone, but microstructure tells you what the specimen has known. Read the intergrowth, read the grain, read the crust, read the strain. Every phase is evidence, every boundary leaves a trace. Deep time forensic work on matter falling out of space. No autograph required, no hero carved above. Only thermodynamics impact atmosphere and dust. I began beyond the desert where no human trail could run. Changed beneath internal heat long before this present sunlit ground. Survived collision physics, crossed an atmospheric gate. Reached Sonora carrying an unrequested date. They hunted for a fortune measured ounce by ounce. I answer with the history no market could announce. Lord comes from a ledger I came speaking through a side. Mineralogy dome the mic with cosmic time inside. So call me La Cienega, add the letter in the frame. Official classification finally anchored to the name. L group type 6, weak shock. Weathered only slight of fusion coded witness from a journey out of sight. No prophecy, no fantasies, no fabricated glow. Just space chemistry revealing what the specimen can show. From parent body furnace to what's an organ finding zone. The universe dropped evidence, Earth picked up one stone.